Good morning. This is Kasturi Day. Today I am going to discuss the remaining portion of the air chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 7. Okay. So the remaining part is the acid rain. I was continuing in the last video. So I'll tell you about the effects of the acid rain and how to control the pollution, how to prevent air pollution. Okay. The acid rain, I told you what is acid rain? The rain which contains the rainwater which contains the acid substances, that is the air when it contains some poisonous gases which combines in the air with oxygen and water vapor to form acids, and these come down as rain and making the rainwater acidic. Okay. See, this damages wildlife in the ecosystem where it falls, killing fishes, aquatic animals and plants, and when they fall on the lakes and rivers, they become acidic. Even they make the soil more acidic and less fertile, and thus serious damaging the crop growing of the plants and crops, and that is unsuitable for cultivation. Then it corrodes the metals and damages the buildings and historical monuments, especially those made up of marble, that is limestone, calcium carbonate, as acids can easily break down carbonates. So it corrodes the buildings and historical monuments. Then it promotes corrosion of metallic substances like railway bridges, etc. Then it damages the nutrition level of the leaves of the plants. Okay, now how they can corrode the sculptures and monuments and buildings, historical monuments, because they are generally made up of marble, and marble, limestone or slate or the mortar, they are consisting of calcium carbonate, and the carbonates react with acids to form carbon dioxide. Okay, now the salt of calcium, they form calcium sulfate. Okay, and these get soluble in water and they get washed away by the rain, and thus the sculpture or the monument, they get destroyed, they could get corroded. Then how to prevent this air pollution? By growing more trees and plants so that the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere can be absorbed by the plants for photosynthesis and oxygen can be released by the plants. Okay, and by this process, the balance of the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air can be maintained. And this also helps in bringing the rain, due to which other harmful gases are removed from the air. Okay, next is installing tall chimneys in the factories and with factories and power plants, tall chimneys with filters so that they can filter the smoke which is coming out of the chimneys and release then high up into the air with more solid particles depositing inside the chimney walls. Okay, so that the gases which are released from the factories and power plants, they are less acidic, or you can say they are acid free. Okay, the acidic gases are not released into the atmosphere. Then using internal combustion engines in the vehicles for complete and efficient burning of the fuel, so that the fuels can be efficiently burned, total burning can take place, so that carbon monoxide from the unburned fuel is not released into the atmosphere. And the installation of catalytic converters are recommended in the vehicles to reduce air pollution. Then we should not, if we don't burn paper, garbage, dry leaves and other waste materials in open, we can reduce pollution. Rather, we can put all these substances like paper, garbages, dry leaves or waste materials in the composite pit and change it into biofertilizer. Okay. Then not misusing electricity. If we don't misuse electricity, we can save it, and so we will not be burning more of fossil fuels to convert it into electricity. Okay, And then we should not use plastic bags. That also, when we burn, that also releases some harmful gases into the atmosphere. Then if we check the vehicles timely, then we can reduce them from giving out, from liberating exhaust, vehicle, automobile exhaust. Okay. Then keeping the surroundings clean. If we keep the surroundings clean, that also doesn't release some ammonia or other harmful gases into the atmosphere. Then motivating the domestic help or the workers to use LPG gases for cooking, and not the other materials like wood or kerosene, which releases more of carbon dioxide gases, carbon monoxide gases, and other harmful gases into the atmosphere. Okay, so I'll stop here. This is the end of the chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 7. So please go through this, all the videos. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. If you have any suggestions to improve my videos, you can always give it. You can write in the comment box. And if you are a new viewer to my channel, or if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Thank you.